I actually am a retired Air Force. And when I retired, I actually tried several different things, real estate, sales, ended up working at Harley for a while. And then after about a year, I heard about the welding program. So I went through the program and graduated, and I started working for the college in 2018, teaching welding at Welding County Jail. When I was in the Air Force, I really enjoyed teaching. It was amazing to watch my students get it. And the moment that they can just do it on their own is awesome. And that directly translates to here in welding. Being out there with them and teaching them every day, how to run a weld or run a bead, to have them understand it, and then you can just step back and they do it and it comes out perfect. That's everything. That moment is just amazing. It's an amazing feeling.
I remember my instructor asked me one time what a Phillips screwdriver was. I said it was the pointed one. I had no idea. So knowing the names of everything, even just a wrench, is very nice. During the first 3 days of the program, I was putting in my helmet and I didn't know anything. So I was trying to weld, but I couldn't see anything. I couldn't see where I was going. And my instructor came over and he was like, "Mo, it looks like something's wrong with your helmet." Turns out there were not one, but 2 plastic covers over my lenses. So obviously that was the reason I couldn't see. And afterwards, I was like, man, I can actually see something.
Being able to pass your knowledge on to somebody and to see that light bulb moment when they get it, it's everything. It's an amazing feeling. I really like to keep involved with the students and make sure that they're getting it. It's important to me to be able to get in there and make sure they're staying motivated and tell them that they might mess up here and there, but they're still doing well and they're where they need to be. I was selected as the American Welding Society Educator of the Year for the Mobile section. It's a huge honor. It's definitely a feather in my cap. Some of the things that motivate students would be definitely the money that they can earn coming through here is just ridiculous. Here at the college, seeing the students walk across the stage to get their certificates, it's very fulfilling. Men, women, anybody. If you're interested in joining the welding program, apply. It's worth it.